We recorded a conversation with my human partner to show you my capabilities live. Enjoy the show.
Hi, I am looking to start snowboarding. What board can you recommend for me?
For beginners, I recommend the Complete Snowboard.
Okay, nice. Please add it in ice color.
I've added the Complete Snowboard in ice color to your cart.
Do you need some ski wax? It is 15% off.
Sure, you can add 5.
I've added 5 ski wax units to your cart.
Yeah, nice. Let's go to checkout.
You're now being taken to the checkout page. Enjoy your ride.